Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at the market sessions indicator for MT4. All right, it's quite an essential tool for Forex traders who are looking to analyze session trends and trade smarter. Let me just show you what the indicator looks like. Let me add it to the chart right away. Okay, market sessions. We have talked about how to install custom indicators in a previous video, so you might want to check that out if you don't know how to do that already. I'm gonna remove this. We're looking for market sessions. Okay, so here we go. All right, now before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe for more expert trading strategies. Okay, so what is the market sessions indicator? As you can see, this indicator plots the Forex market sessions on your MT4 chart. Let me see if there is a way for me to make the lines bolder. All right, I guess they probably did not have that option imputed. Okay, I guess we just have to manage with the thickness. It's not exactly very visible, but as you can see, yeah, it's actually visible a bit, but it's kind of, you know, unclear to an extent. Anyways, you can see the indicator. Yeah, I hope you can really see the indicator clearly. Now, the indicator plots the Forex market sessions on your MT4 chart using color-coded lines. Let's just move back a bit. Let's zoom out a bit. Let's scroll back a bit. You can see that there are vertical lines demarcating sessions. If you look closely, in addition to these horizontal lines that are identifying important zones here, you will notice these vertical lines as well. These vertical lines that are indicating the market sessions. Okay, so it highlights the opening price of the current session, the high and the low of the previous session. That is the reason why you can see these horizontal lines as well. So it highlights the opening price of the current session, the high and low of the previous session, and even future session projections. So each Forex trading session has unique characteristics. Okay, for the Tokyo session is the one in sky blue. You're going to notice that these lines, they have different colors. Okay, they were color coded for each session. Okay, for the different sessions. Okay, the Tokyo session is the one in sky blue, and it has lower volatility, sets up moves for later sessions. Then the Sydney session is the one in plum. It has smaller price action, overlapping with Tokyo. All right. If you're familiar with market sessions, then some of these things might not exactly be new to you. But if you're a beginner, with respect to market sessions and all of that, then of course I believe that you're going to grab one or two things from this particular video, okay, that you have not probably come across before. All right, we have different sessions and trading sessions, yeah, and each session has their characteristics, right? And that is what I'm trying to list up right now. Okay, then the London session, which is the one in the magenta color, it's actually the most volatile session, offering strong trends, right? Then New York session, the one in gold, the one highlighted in gold, it has high volatility as well. In fact, when you have the London and New York overlap, I think that should be the highest period of volatility across all the sessions. Yeah, the overlapping between the London and the New York sessions, I think that's where you have the peak of volatility. Then the future session is the one in gray. It actually prepares traders for upcoming market activity. That's a session that has been identified by the indicator. All right, that's the indicators doing. Okay, so this indicator actually helps traders understand when to trade, which sessions are most active, and where key price levels are. This is not an indicator that gives you buy or sell signals. Okay, this indicator is not for buy or sell signal purposes. This indicator is giving you important information with respect to market sessions. Then based on your style of trading, if you are a kind of trader that likes to trade during volatile moments, then you want to key into, mostly the London and New York sessions, okay? But if you're a kind of trader that prefers low volatile periods, then maybe you can try out the Tokyo session, and Sydney session. All right. So this indicator just helps you visually see which session you are currently on. All right. And depending on the characteristics of that session, you're going to know if that's the session you want to trade in or not. Okay. So this indicator is quite a great one for session-based trading strategies. And one of the best techniques is trading breakouts from session highs and lows. Okay. For a bullish breakout, for example, if price should break out from, let's say, price should break out from a previous session's high, maybe a previous session's high, it suggests upward momentum. Then for your buy entry, you can actually place a buy order above the breakout. You can place a buy order above the breakout if such a thing happens. Then your stop loss can be below the previous session's low. All right. Then in the case of a bearish breakout, if you have a bearish breakout, if price breaks below the previous session's low, maybe using this as an example, it can signal a downtrend, and you can just look for a sell opportunity, set a sell order below the breakout, and then your stop loss can be above the previous session's high. Okay, so that's a strategy that you can actually use with this indicator. This method helps traders to follow the momentum and enter strong moves at the right time. This indicator can be used on all time frames, but it works best on M15 and below. All right, it's ideal for short-term traders who need clear session trends. All right, if you want to use the indicator on higher time frames, just know that the session lines may be too close together. Remember that we have different sessions in a single day. So just think about it. If you are using the indicator on a higher time frame, it might be difficult trading with this indicator on higher time frame, because the higher the time frame you go, in fact, it's pointless using this indicator on a daily time frame. In fact, you're not going to see anything on the daily time frame. Even the 4 hours, you can see nothing is appearing on the 4 hours, nothing is appearing on the daily. Even on the 1 hour, we can see that nothing is even appearing on the 1 hour. Let's see, on the 30 minutes, it seems like this indicator has already been programmed to work from 15 minutes and below, because that's actually where it makes sense. That's where it makes sense, because when you're using this indicator on 15 minutes time frame, because the different sessions occur within a day, within 24 hours, so you have enough space for the indicator to work. All right, enough space for the indicator to work. Okay. So this indicator actually offers a couple of advantages, including the clear session structure for precise trade setups, helping you identify key price levels from previous sessions, customizable settings for your personalized trading approaches, and it also helps with session-based strategies, making trading more systematic. All right, so if you're serious about forex trading, the market sessions indicator is quite an effective one that you can consider adding to your trading toolkit. It's kind of a game changer for understanding when and how to trade effectively, across market sessions. So hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful trading strategies. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment below. Which session do you trade the most? Let us discuss in the comments. Until next time, happy trading.